Tesla AI chip factory to start key equipment tests in March 2026. Samsung Electronics seems to be ramping its efforts to start operations at its Taylor, Texas semiconductor plant, which will produce Tesla's next-generation AI5 chip, preparing for Tesla's AI5, AI6 chips. As per a report by Sina Finance, Samsung Electronics is looking to begin trial operations of extreme ultraviolet EUV lithography equipment at its Taylor facility in March. These efforts are reportedly intended to support the full production of Tesla's AI5 chips, starting in the latter half of 2026. The Taylor factory, Samsung's first wafer fabrication plant in the United States, covers roughly 4.85 million square meters and is nearing completion. Media reports, citing contractors, have estimated that about 7,000 workers now work on the factory, about 1,000 of whom are reportedly working from the facility's office building. Samsung is reportedly preparing to apply for a temporary occupancy permit, which would allow production to begin before the plant is fully completed. Tesla's aggressive AI chip roadmap. Elon Musk recently stated that Tesla's next-generation AI5 chip is nearly complete, while early development on its successor, AI6, is already underway. Musk shared the update in a post on X, which also happened to be a recruiting message for engineers. As per Musk, Tesla is looking to iterate its in-house AI chips on an accelerated timeline, with future generations, including AI7, AI8, and AI9, targeting a roughly 9-month design cycle. He also stated that the rapid cadence could allow Tesla's chips to become the highest volume AI processors in the world. Previous reports have indicated that Samsung Electronics would be manufacturing Tesla's AI5 chip alongside its rival, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company (TSMC). The two suppliers are expected to produce different versions of Tesla's AI5 chip, with TSMC using a 3 nanometers process and Samsung targeting 2 nanometers production. Source: reposted and summarized from Simon Alvarez at teslarati.